bunch of fractions makes it look yucky, so let's try to get rid of the fractions all at once. So I'm going to think of a number to multiply so that all the bottoms will cancel out. There'll be some cross simplifying that happens. That number is going to be a number that 9 can divide into evenly, that 6 can divide into evenly, and that 3 can divide into evenly. So if you have trouble like sitting there and trying to guess those numbers and trying them out, what you could do is you could list the multiples. You could take 3 and add it to itself again and again and again, but multiples of 3 are they're easier than the multiples of these bigger numbers. So 6 plus 6 makes 12, plus 6 makes 18, 24, 30, 9 plus 9 makes 18. Oh, we have a match right here. If we multiply everything by 18, 9 fits into 18, 6 fits into 18, and 3 fits into 18. Okay, so watch what we do with each step. 3 fits into 18 6 times, right? You could use a calculator to double check that. So we're going to cross simplify there. And now I'm going to put a 6 in front of that the a minus 5 term in it with a parentheses. Okay, because 6 has to multiply to everything here. And then we repeat the process. Everything needs to get multiplied by 18. So in this next one, same thing. We can cross simplify. 6 fits into 18 3 times. So I'm going to put a 3 in front of the 5a. And then we need to multiply 18 to that last term there. So cross simplifying, 9 fits into 18 2 times. So I'm going to put a 2 in front of the parentheses. Okay, sorry, that's getting kind of close, but there we go. And now it's kind of a bigger equation, but at least we don't have fractions. We don't have to keep working about adding fractions and getting common denominators and stuff. Now it's just the distributive property a bunch of times. 6 times a makes 6a. 6 times 5 makes 30. 3 times 5a makes 15a. And then distributive property here, 2 times a. And then 2 times 26, that makes 52. So it's getting simpler. Let's combine like terms in our next step. So I'm just copying everything else down. 15a plus 2a makes 17a. And then I have a's on both sides of the equation. I'd like to fix that. So let's just subtract this 6a from both sides. That makes that disappear. And we're left with negative 30 equals, now we got 17a minus 6a makes 11a. Couldn't think of what 17 minus 6 was for a second. And then we're trying to get a by itself, so let's add 52 to both sides. So negative 30 plus 52, that's like saying 52 minus 30. Oh, it's going to come out to an integer. Divide both sides by 11. So a is 2, a non-decimal number.